Hello everyone. So I'm inside Dollar Tree and it's going to be a really quick visit. So I'm just going to share with you a quick browse here through the Halloween section. This is actually a pretty hard item to find. It has a glass straw and it's a glass cup with a bamboo lid. There's a bunch of things that are selling very quickly at most of the Dollar Trees. These little squishies will go really quick. The glass mugs that you just saw, the glass cup, these are cute. I wonder if you can paint them and make them a piece of decor. They're plastic. And then they have these little glass shot glasses. Again, these items are things that are going rather quickly, and I thought I'd just share them with you in case you haven't had a chance to pop out. And these are great for fussy cutting for paper crafters out there. They have a few little bags here. Some really nice skull heads. These will sell the yoga skeletons will be gone, I'm sure, all of them as soon as they hit the shelf. They have beautiful signs this year, much nicer than last year, and most of them are not glitter, so that's a nice bonus. Look at these pumpkins, this gorgeous skull head with the little crow on it, my goodness, and the bone style tree and the black tree. The black and white type muted signs, and then they also have these here. Really well done. Look at these. Aren't they gorgeous? I like these as well. They're just standing up. Really nice selection in ribbon. So if you're making wreaths or making a beautiful Halloween gift basket, you have some really nice choices at Dollar Tree right now. Oh, some fall LED lights. Poker set. Looks like those are new. At least they're new to me because I've never noticed them or I've never paid attention, but I feel like they're new. These are all new hairbrushes and they're made by the Conair company, Infinity. I'm not sure if anyone likes them. Lots of Barbie items if you're looking for accessories or making a really nice gift basket for Christmas or putting together a gift. You can really make a nice one on a budget because they even have the little mini figurines as well. Look at the little dollies, little babies, so cute. And you have muffin tops by Betty Crocker. I know some of you were saying you love it. They also have these single packages. I think that the box one might be better value for your money. Shredded wheat here, like crumbs, I guess, if you're making some sort of crumble. They have oats, jam, also these new sauces, and minced garlic, but they have these new sauces which look really intriguing. I might actually give them a try. And then they have the bouillon in the powder. Super cute Halloween socks here. I was looking for the fat squares, but I'm not able to find them. Aren't these the cutest socks ever? Has anyone transformed these into something else with different sayings? These ones here are so heavy and solid, you can easily repurpose them into a different DIY. Thank you so much for walking through Dollar Tree with me today. I know it was super quick, but there was a kiddo in the store that wasn't happy, so it was making it very unpleasant for any filming to take place. I will go into another Dollar Tree and hopefully have a longer walkthrough with you guys. Until next time, everyone, thank you so very much for watching. Bye for now.